Well, it is Friday, May 18th, and I am at Bentshoe Lake and the Haliburton Water Trails. I am here to do a kayak camping trip, and super easy trip. I'm just paddling into a site that's on the other side of the lake and camping there. Got some friends coming to visit tomorrow, and one staying over, and super excited. This is my first camping trip since New Year's, since I hit my head 2 days after the start of the year. I'm just about to load up my boat here. I've just got it down by the water. Got all my gear over there. See you in a bit. Bye. Hi. I have a new addition to my camping gear this year, and I couldn't be happier to have it right now because the bugs just came out like instantly when I got here. It's so weird. They're not actually biting me. I am wearing my bug shirt, but they're just all in my hair and my eyeballs and my mouth, and they're driving me crazy. So I am extremely excited because I have a Eureka no bug zone, the VCS13. And I just got it actually yesterday. I'm super stoked to have it, and I am going to set it up right now for the first time ever. I watched a video yesterday on YouTube from Toby Clipperton and Total Camper, and it was great. So I think I got the basic gist of it. Let's see how it goes. I managed to get the VCS13 set up. Got a nice beautiful spot there beside the water, and I'm gonna set up the rest of my stuff, and I can't wait to sit in there because the bugs are just swarming right now. The wind has stopped, and I am excited to hang out in there. Okay, so I got some new fire sticky things that I'm testing out. They're the Extreme Start Fire Starter, and they're by Pine Mountain. I still need to set up my tent, and I want to get a fire going so that I can cook my, sorry the bugs, so I can cook my burger on it, and then scooch into the no bug zone when the sun goes down, because the bugs usually get worse when the wind dies down, which is usually when the sun sets. So I'm going to just light this. I've got some little bit of scrap wood here that I picked up, and I'm going to see how it works. Oh, bugs, I did not miss you at all. I cannot wait till you leave. Okay, so you're supposed to just light the package. Light this end up. There it goes. Put it under here. Got the camera. Okay. Grab some more wood here. Oh, it smells good. It smells like summer. And I'm gonna go set up my tent, and I'm gonna see if this is burning when I get back. Some of you might have seen my video at the Eureka booth at the Outdoor Adventure Show talking to David Lee. He was telling me about the Eureka Suma too. I have one now. So I'm super stoked. It's green, which is the color of my logo, which makes me really happy. I'm gonna set this up real quick. The bugs are driving me crazy. Just an update on that fire. It is going amazing. Wow. All right, so there it is. It's pretty, isn't it? I think it's awesome. Stick my stuff there. Well, my burger is done. It's ready. It looks so good. I'm gonna put the top on. My tomato and my guacamole. I think it's gonna be really messy, so I'm gonna eat over top of this big placemat and then just swish it all off on the fire. So let's see how it tastes. Can't imagine it not being good, but it's pretty big. That's why I didn't bring a side. I thought, I don't think I need one. So here we go. I'm pretty sure I have guacamole in my nose. Oh, it's messy. That's good. Yum. Look at that sucker. Well, I set up my tarp last night in the dark. It's a little bit low, but I think it'll be good for keeping the rain out. It's covering about half of the fire pit, so should be good. Now let's take a second here to talk about the table in the room. Yes, there is a table on my campsite. I arrived here yesterday and it was here, and I immediately wanted to hide it somewhere in the bush, but I figured I might as well make use of it, so I've put my firewood under there and just have a black garbage bag over top of some of it because it is partially under the tarp. So that will keep my firewood dry, and well, should be copacetic once the rain comes. No rain yet, but it's expected by 8 a.m. I got up to try to get some pictures of the sunrise because the sun was supposed to be up for an hour or two, but so far I do not see it. breakfast this morning. I am starving. On the menu today is cheese and bacon omelet and English muffin with strawberry jam. I should have a hot chocolate, but I'm going out paddling all day in my dry suit, so I think I'm going to save that for tomorrow or the next day. Okay, so here's the English muffin. See, it's even hard just to get it apart because the butter is in there and it's that cold. So already buttered. Drop it in there. And it's already browning up real nice, see? Bottoms a little bit. Keep losing my fork. Not burned. Just nice and brown. Grab one of my fancy plates that everybody loves. Okay. Look pretty good. I just need them browned and warmed a little bit. They're going to be cold by the time I eat them anyways, so I'm going to turn this right down for my omelet because I don't want to burn it. Take these off. Go good. Go quickly. And it is super uneven. All just went into one side. It's getting ready. Okay. It's a little brown. Not too bad. I lost a piece of bacon, but just need to put some jam on my English muffin. Pan's pretty much not clean too. It's not too messy. Just need to wipe it out, rinse it out a little bit with the J cloth, and there we have it. Okay. Bon appetit. Well, I'm just sitting here waiting for a special guest to arrive. My friend Sean Rowley from Paddling Adventures Radio, sorry, is going to be coming for a day trip to hang out. We're going to do some kayaking and do some fishing and see if we can catch anything. So I'm super excited to see him. He should be here any minute. Here comes Sean.